Heat Press Nation is committed to providing the highest quality heat presses with an unconditional promise of integrity, reliability, and delivery. The HPN Signature Series Mug Heat Press Transfer Machine is built around the idea that the best quality components will provide the most durable and most accurate machines. The thick, solid steel framework offers durability for full production use in any home or commercial environment. The HPN Signature Series Mug Press features the industry's only 4-point pressure adjustment to ensure a complete edge-to-edge, full-bleed sublimation transfer every time. When the mug press is turned on, the digital computer gauge will display the real-time temperature. Press the OK button once to set the temperature scale. Press it again to set the temperature. Press the OK button once again to set the time. Press it a fourth and final time to return to the real-time temperature. Once the mug press is closed, the timer will begin to count down from your set time to 0 and beep when the press is ready to be opened. The digital computer gauge also keeps count of every press. As with all HPN Signature Series mug presses, this mug press features a grade A heating element which boasts significantly more even temperature distribution and longer life of the heating element. The horizontal format of the HPN Signature Series mug press allows you to accommodate tall or uniquely shaped drinkware such as travel mugs and beer steins. All HPN Signature Series heat presses go through an extensive quality control procedure before they are shipped, and each unit comes with a 1-year parts and service warranty from the original date of purchase. The HPN Signature Series mug press is built to meet and exceed every requirement of a professional grade machine, and we are confident that it will be an excellent addition to your sublimation business or hobby.